Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 6. Simplify 16 all over 81 raised to the power of 1 over 4 divided by 9 over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now we have 16 all over 81. We have 16 over 81 raised to the power of 1 over 4 divided by 9 all over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2. Now this 1 all over 4 from indices simply means what? The fourth root of 81 all over of 16 all over 81 of 16 all over 81, then divided by, now here this negative here simply means 1 all over 9 over 16 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now this is equals to the fourth root of what? 16 all over 81 divided by now 1 all over 9 all over 16 is power 1 over 2 is same thing as saying what? The square root of 9 all over 16. So from this we have that what? We have that the fourth root of 16 all over the fourth root of 81 divided by 1 all over the square root of 9 all over the square root of 16. And this is equals to the fourth root of 16 is equals to 2 over, and fourth root of 81 is equals to 3, then divided by 1 all over square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. Now this is equals to 2 all over 3 divided by 4 all over 3. Because of this 1 over 3 over 4, that will give us 4 over 3. So therefore this is equals to 2 all over 3. Now we're changing this division sign to multiplication, and because of that our denominator in this right hand side will become the what? The numerator. So we have 3 over 4. Now 3 here, we cancel this 3 here, equals, and 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So this is equals to 1 all over 2. So the answer is 1 over 2, which is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.